Hey you guys, so we are ready to start drawing our apple in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna actually use my pencil to draw out the shape of my apple first. Just a very basic apple shape. And this may be too light for you guys to see on the video. Okay, so I'm gonna add my apple stem. Okay, very basic, okay? All right, now I'm gonna start filling in my apple. So I'm gonna start with a red, and I'm gonna just begin by coloring the whole thing in. Sorry, I've got to take this paper off. All right, just continue coloring. I'm gonna do kind of a scumbling to start. Just very lightly filling in. Remember, you can always get light or darker. You can't always get lighter though with oil pastels because they don't really erase. All right, very good. All right, so now I'm going to start adding some different colors to make this look more realistic. So towards the top, I'm gonna start adding some longer lines. And you see, I'm kind of giving it a curve to kind of give it the illusion that the apple has a form to it. Okay. I'm going to say that this side's going to be lighter. So I'm actually going to use some yellow and add some kind of long strokey lines in here. Could even add in some orange. Okay. Let's see. I have a different bag. This bag has white in it, so I'm gonna use that. I'm actually gonna add some white, kind of lighten it up over here a little bit. Ooh, add some black on it. Okay, maybe add some white spots over here, kind of lightening it up. See how my color's blending? It's getting a little pinker. No big deal. All right, so let's darken up this. So I'm gonna start pressing down a little harder, getting a real red coming through. Now I'm actually going to use some brown. I'm going to kind of along this edge, it's going to be the darker side of the apple. Start adding some darker values in here. Start bringing that down towards the bottom. And kind of bring it on over. You can use your finger or your paper towel to kind of blend your colors together. If you don't really want any white spots coming through. All right, now I'm gonna use my black oil pastel. I'm gonna really add some darker values in here. So very carefully, I'm gonna start at the bottom. Okay. And the bottom is where it's gonna be the darkest because that's where that shadow is. Creating more lines, kind of filling in this space. You can use your finger to kind of blend. Creates almost like a maroon color. If you blend too much, no big deal. Go back. Add some more color in. And some more brown. Add some more black over here. Get those darker values carefully. You can even go over it with your red. Get some in-between tones. Starting to look better. Okay, let's lighten this up a little bit. Add some yellow. Nice. So I'm gonna add some white over here. And use this graffito effect. All right, so I'm actually liking this. This is looking good. So now I'm gonna do a little bit darker right here at the top where the stem's coming out. I'm gonna add just a little black in there. Looking good. Okay, then I'm gonna draw my stem. Get a good brown color. Sorry if y'all can hear my dog. Do a little black on the stem as well. Let's see, let's bring this over. A little more brown. Let's see, I can even add, using the very edge, a little highlight on the stem. Do some really harsh white spots. All right, looks pretty good. Bring that down a little bit. Okay. All right, so I cannot wait to see your guys' apples. Make sure you take a picture of your work and turn it in. Bye, guys.